The aim of this video is to answer this question in trigonometry. The diameter of a vertical cone is 23 centimeters and the length of the slant edge is 43 centimeters. The semi-vertical angle of the cone is one of those, and it must be stated in degrees and minutes. First, a diagram will help a lot. So if this is your vertical cone, diameter of 23 centimeters, and then at the same time the slant edge, which is the edge at an angle, is 43 centimeters. When I draw in a vertical line like that, you now have a triangle with 43 centimeters on the hypotenuse. Then half of 23 is 11.5 centimeters, and the semi-vertical angle is this angle between the vertical and the slanted edge. So that is the theta I'm looking for. So next step, I'll label the hypotenuse opposite the angle I'm looking for and next to the angle I'm looking for, A. Then I write down soha, kaha, toha. Then I will tick the two sides I have, which is opposite as well as hypotenuse. That means I'm going to use sine. Thus I write sine theta equals opposite, which is 11.5, over hypotenuse 43. Backtrack the sine, so you write sine inverse of 11.5 over 43. You type that into your calculator. Now remember, we want degrees and minutes. So if you have a TI-84 plus CE, you will press to turn your final answer into degrees and minutes and seconds. You'll go second, angle, and you'll choose option number 4, DMS. And on your calculator, it will give you the following: 15 degrees, 30 minutes, and 43.557 seconds. So when I round, because the seconds are more than 30, I round up. So my final answer would be 15 degrees and 31 minutes. That means the answer is E. Thank you.